Hello little friends, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z with color name. A. E for alligator. B. B for butterfly. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for earth. F. F for fingers. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for pen. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for fan. W. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Let's paint. Red color. A. A for alligator. B. B for butterfly. C. C for cow. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for goat. Yellow color. H. H for hand. I for island. J. J for joker. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. Dark green color. O. O for onion. P. P for pencil. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra.